Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing lesson number 4 in أuhhibu arabiyyah. So stick with me till the end of the video because I will be showing you the written version of the vocabulary in this lesson. So let's get started. So today's lesson is في غرفة اللعب, which means in the playroom. So this is the picture in your lesson. So we have different toys and we are going to learn the vocabulary of these toys. So the first picture is a train. So قطار is train. قطار train. قطار train. قطار train. The next picture is حصان. حصان means a horse. حصان. حصان. The next picture is ball. Ball is kura. It is actually kaf, not kav. And please, sorry about the mistake. It is kaf, kura. Bear is dub. Dub. Dub means a bear. طائرة, which means an aeroplane. طائرة means an aeroplane. طائرة. 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 دمية, which means a doll. دمية, which means a doll. Another translation is عروشة. So دمية and عروشة. صاروخ, rocket. صاروخ. صاروخ. Now we're going to learn هل هذا and هل هذه. So we have learned هذا is for masculine, هذه is for feminine. If you look at this picture, this is a train. Yeah, قطار is a masculine. So هل هذا قطار? Is this a train? حصان is also masculine. هل هذا حصان? Is this a horse? Okay, the next one is دب. هل هذا دب? Is this a bear? Now طائرة is feminine because it ends with a small ta at the end. So هل هذه طائرة? This is دمية, also feminine. هل هذه دمية? Is this a doll? The next picture, you have to circle the objects which start with the same alphabet. So we have قطار, we have حقيبة and قلم. So قلم and قطار are same. The next picture is طارق, طائرة and سلة. So طارق and طائرة, you have to circle. So now I have written these vocabulary at the end of the video, so you can watch it. So anyway, قاف, قطار, قلم, حقيبة and طائرة. So thanks for watching and please do subscribe for more videos, and at the end you have the written version of these vocabulary. So you can watch that and see you again in the next chapter.